Okwakira ebitare bya security right kubira ha mbuga nkuru za district ya Kamwenge kandi hono RDC ajumirira abebembezi okwetantara okutamu mikono baba bari kutaho umuganda okutungura etawuni.
It has been a challenge, I must mention, and even leaders are aware that the absence of security rights in our major streets in Kamwenge town have seriously been compromising the security of the area. So I think the question of insecurity, the question of night attacks, house breaking, vandalism around the town is properly answered.
Ebitare byo kwera etawuni egi nibingana 12 kandi RDC n'abebembezi babandize kutaho urukiko n'abatura okubashaba okushwizuma emirimo yo kubyara ebitara okweri kuyija kutwazibwa.
Like you have mentioned that you are set and ready, the week has just begun. Before the end of this week, I want to believe that our streets will be lighted because we have already brought the donation and there is no need for us to wait.
Chonka kugira ninkunde cyanga cyo witu ninkundo muka tinkubasa kuwebembera abantu ngabagira mukwatira ho wanya himukuruga ntaka kikozire so natandikira no muka tindesire bitarabyonka ndesire na Kalavati zo koro rutinde rwabere rwacu ekire Kalavati 16
ebitare bimaziro $80 kandi bina masikongo bija kongera hantunguka
nyanja kushaba n'abakamenge tabone kanso mukwanze bitaramuka mwabitire konkati ababyikirize mu byakiri ibiti bikiri mu politics aho tukaburugamu nagato byakire tuyemo mwirima nebindi nitwa abandi mutwendese nananye nani nzo ndijo muntu nani mushaba abase kureta ino muhima ndukumanya ati yakire tubanze kubanza kumwandikisa amabaro no kumutera hanze.
Ebitare ebi ni byambo n'abari gukora business ni bandi bendekererezi ekiri kumara na munonga obwire bwo mwebazo kandi abire yatwireho na Kalavati eziri ahansi omusaruti owa former mayor Commander Geoffrey sawa wano yamuka orukuza Kamwenge village.
Abebembezi nibagira ngo murumo gwo kubyara ebitare ebi nogwija kutandika bahiza kumanya emyanya omubyine kubyarwa gasha kwansa na twine